Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. Now today, as promised, we are going to be redesigning the turquoise Crocs that I have here. So this is actually the last pair that we're going to be redesigning. And then, like I said in my previous Crocs video, that my next Crocs video will be me showing you guys outfits, like how I wear them. And then following that would be a full reveal of my whole Croc collection updated, because I definitely have some new ones that I am saving for that video and you guys are going to enjoy it. So with that being said, we're just going to start with this video. So it'll be short and sweet. So up close, this is what the turquoise ones look like. Very standard, the classic Croc. And then these are the gibbets that we are working with. Okay, so let's work with the bigger gibbets first. I'm thinking it's all about balance. So you have two really big gibbets. You want to put one on each Croc. And then let's see. Maybe not. Let's see. Okay. Just to give it cohesion, let's see. Maybe this one here. This looks cute, right? Let me see. Green. Maybe this near the Capricorn. Yes, that looks okay so far. Let's see. And on the side there. This one's kind of stumping me, guys. Let's see. There. Leave that there. Yeah, that looks too cluttered. You know, these gibbets in particular don't have any like real cohesion to them. They're just literally like what I have left. So I think that's why it's giving me a little bit more of a harder time trying to figure out where I can place them, where they look good together. You know what I mean? See that one there, maybe. There. Maybe this one here. Move that one there. Maybe that will look better. Let's see. How do we feel so far? No. No. What if I move this one? I'm going to put this near the spaceship because it's the same color. And I think that's going to work. This I might save just for another croc. Just put it somewhere in one of my other ones. But I think this is the best I'm going to get. I don't want to like clutter it too much. So I think I'm going to leave these spaces open. But I think this is it, guys. What do you guys think? Okay, guys, so we have completed the redesigning of these Crocs. So this is what they look like. They stumped me a little bit only because the gibbets are so different. You know, there's no really like big cohesion to them. But I think I am happy with the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.